Let's make some masala roast potatoes. Yeah, you heard me. Masala roast potatoes. It's like potato masala and roast potatoes, and if they had a baby, this is what it would be. So good. Potatoes, I'm not even gonna bother peeling it. Skin on. I'm just gonna chop them into quarters and straight into some cold water. Now, I'm just gonna salt the water. Heavily salt it. Okay, potatoes into cold water, bring it up to the boil. We're gonna cook them until those potatoes are nice and soft, and you can easily pierce it with a knife with no resistance. So let that boil for about 30-40 minutes, and then we'll see where we're at. All right, these potatoes are done. You can piece them easily with a knife, in and out, see that? So let's turn this off and strain these. I'm just gonna let these potatoes steam dry, but while they're still hot, we're gonna get some butter and garlic onto it, but because it's hot, it's gonna get into it, and then we're gonna roast it. So let's, 3 cloves of garlic. Just gonna finely slice these bad boys up. Got our garlic into our bowl, all that garlicky goodness. Gonna hit it with some pepper. Gonna hit it with a little bit of cumin. Just a little bit, just a bit. And some turmeric. So going with about what? Half a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon. No one's judging. Butter. 120 grams of butter. Generous amount of butter. And now these potatoes, you can see all the steam stop coming off them, but they're still warm. We're just gonna toss them in. Beautiful thing's gonna happen now. The heat from the potato is gonna start melting the butter. Potatoes will rough up a little bit. That's okay. It's all gonna go crisp. We're just gonna give that a toss up. Smell this. This here, the garlic, turmeric, smells like a potato curry. We'll just let us do it. Just let it, give it a second, let that butter melt. And taste it. Gonna hit it with some salt. Gonna get all our potatoes in there. Beautiful. All right, black mustard seeds. Just give this a sprinkle over. They're gonna toast as they roast. Now we're wrapping, see that? All right, just give it a good sprinkle. Nice bitterness, nice flavor. Another little pinch of salt over the potatoes. All that butter, all that goodness. It's gonna soak into the potatoes. This is gonna be all the spices, they're gonna toast. The garlic, it's gonna crisp up. Oh, these potatoes are gonna be so good. All right, let's get that into the oven. It's been preheating at 220, and we'll just roast them till they are golden brown, super crispy, and then serve them up. Potatoes have been cooking for about 10-ish minutes. I'm gonna give it a toss up, see where we're at. Okay, let me, spatula. Oh, perfect. Yep, there we go. Oh, another 10-15 minutes. Ricky, just not a cameraman, great barista as well. That's the best baby chino I've ever had. Let's check these patatis. Ooh. Oh man, every single time. I'm good. Look at that. Okay. Now all we need to do now, let's just plate this up simply. Pour it into. Can you hear how crispy it is? Can you hear how crispy? Oh yeah. All those little bits of brown butter. Can you hear how like crisp they are? Okay. I've got coriander stalks. Yes, the stalk of the coriander. It's good to eat. Don't throw it out. Perfect little garnish for this potato dish. Just finely dice that. Beautiful. I'm just gonna hit it with some lemon. There's a lot of fat in there. Just balance it out. You know, little something to wake up your palate. Coriander stalks. Just sprinkle that all over the top. And then just a pinch of some flaky sea salt. It smells so good. Let's taste this. Oof. Look, mustard seeds, some lemon, salt. I feel like I'm gonna burn my mouth. My gosh. Babe, come try this. Do you want to share? Too bad. Yeah, it's hot. Yeah. Just go. Trust me. Blow on it. Done.